Recently, I asked you guys to help me name the next cocktail that I create. And I'm proud to say some of you didn't drag your asses, although most of you did. So, without further ado, the winner of the contest is Angry Cocktails. Angry suggested that we mix up a cocktail named the Empirical. Thanks, Angry. We're gonna mix that up today. We'll quickly throw that in at the end of this video. Cheers, bro. I also want to give a shout out to Gnome's Tavern, who recommended that we make a drink called the Victory Shot. Thank you for your suggestion. We're not going to use it yet, but in the future, we're going to do it. And that reminds me, we've got to take a victory shot right after this. Today's victory shot is Cynar. If I didn't have a video to shoot, I would take this bottle and tell you guys sayonara, baby. Happy Memorial Day. Today we're mixing up a drink that sounds like it's an American. It's called the Americano. Actually, it was first mixed in the 1860s in Milan, Italy. Because of that, I always felt like it should be called the Italiano. But no, it was named the Americano in honor of all the American tourists that made it popular. Fun fact, though James Bond's favorite drink was the vodka martini, the Americano was actually the very first drink he ever ordered in Ian Fleming's first book, Casino Royale. The first thing we want to add to our Collins glass is 1.5 ounces of Campari. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. That's good. One and a half ounces of a sweet vermouth. I prefer Cochi Rosa. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. My name's Bobby. Ricky Bobby. And add club soda. And that's an Americano.
But wait, there's more.
And now for the Empirical. 4 dashes of grapefruit bitters. 2 ounces of Empress. And yes, we have to have ourselves a shot. Quarter ounce of lemon. Half ounce of Campari. Half ounce of simple. Add ice. And zest from a grapefruit. And that's the Empirical. Thank you, Angry Cocktail. How about you mix Sir Ricky Bobby's Empirical on your YouTube channel and tell me what you think. Today's word of wisdom is gubbins. Gubbins are small trinkets, knickknacks, whatnots, or doohickeys. You know them too well because you have too many of them. Just open your garage, your closet, or your attic. Even your aptly named junk drawer. These are all the natural habitats of the never elusive gubbins. My advice: if you don't know what that screw, clip, or cable does, you need to exterminate it. The last thing you need is a gubbins infestation. Thank you, Angry Cocktail. How about you mix Sir Ricky Bobby's Empirical